Laurent. What an amazing show. I'm so proud to be here with you, dear partners. 2 by 2. Please remember these two figures. 2 by 2. You are probably wondering what I'm referring to. This is the size of the new 7 and 9 meters compact telehandler solution. Such a compactness does not exist in our empty range today. That's awesome, right? This is the machine you should use when working on narrow construction sites as individual houses. But tell me, what are your main challenges on a day-to-day basis? First, the space of building sites, it's divided by 2. Buildings are built closer and closer to each other, and machines have less and less space to drive around. They have to go through narrow paths, narrow gates, sometimes through garage doors. Second, as space gets smaller and smaller, you have to go higher and higher. Another challenge for you, builders. But how do you meet this constraint of width and height? We have the solution. We have successfully designed compact machines able to position higher and heavier loads. A 7 meters height and only 2 by 2 meters. A 9 meter height and only 2 by 2 meters, enabling you to reach the 3rd floor of a building. But the compactness, it's not only about machines. It's also about attachment. And for these narrow machines, we design a specific high capacity but narrow buckets. And that's not all. Compactness has another competitive advantage. It makes your machine easier to transport. Thanks to their size, you can optimize and reduce your transport costs on trucks and containers. How? How we did it? We designed a new fork hooking system that folds back the forks for transportation and therefore reduce the overall length of the machines by 4.67 meters, meaning 15 feet. Now, only you get a shorter machine, but you also get a narrower machine to put more machines on your flatbed truck and to load and unload your machine onto the truck much quicker and much safer. But listen to me. Compact machines, yes, but efficient and versatile. To achieve this compactness, size, and performance challenge, we took the best of Manitou DNA. Like any Manitou machine, they are reliable, they are roof terrain with a best-in-class ground clearance of 35 centimeters, they are agile, with an ultra-short turning radius of 3.30 meters, meaning 10 feet. They are able to carry up to 3 tons at 9 meters, meaning 6,000 pounds up to 30 feet. And for the ones who do care about man elevation, an access platform can be fitted for the 9 meters model. They can be used in masonry, carpentry, roofing, inside renovation, housing, construction, and so many other applications. Compact, performant, versatile, with this machine, we cover all your job site needs. And that's not all. User-friendly. Because we know that you are looking for precision, these machines have been designed with an hydrostatic transmission which offers you smoothness, precision, control, and simple gear shifting while driving. Now, it's time to get inside the machines. We used the Harmony dashboard for these machines, making it easier for the operators to move from one machine to the other. This dashboard, along with our best-in-class GSM joystick, are user-friendly. These interfaces literally coach the operator on its use, on its maintenance, and safety. On top of that, we've got smart notifications and pop-up available in 22 languages. And we all know that simplicity means safety. That's why all our controls are clearly identified with symbol and color codes. Safety. Safety is not an option on a construction job site. For your operators, for the surroundings, for employees on the job site, and for your machine. That is why we put a 360 degrees approach on safety. First, to prevent unwanted operators' movement, we fitted the joystick with a brand new sensor which automatically detects their presence and also reduces the risk of accident. Second, and more importantly, these machines are fitted with our brand new safety pack system, enabling driver and environment protection from risky behaviors. Driver is now alerted and prevented from risky behaviors such as driving with boom up or driving without seatbelt. Alerts are beacon inside the cabin and pop up on the dashboard. And at the same time, a red beacon outside the machine alerts the job site and the fleet manager on its smartphone. And finally, to ensure even more safety for your operators, we are pleased to introduce an automatic parking brake, an orange seatbelt, and an easy and safe access to the machine with no step, meaning less fatigue and less falls. Now, let us talk about cost. As we know, it is very much of your concern. We worked heavily on reducing the total cost of owning of these two machines. First, through harmonizing a lot of components with the MT625, meaning minimize spare part stocks and technician trainings. Listen, you and I, we all know that time is money. For that reason, we worked intensively to reduce as much as possible maintenance time. We also focused to reduce downtime. You know, from your feedback, 70% of mechanical issues in hydraulic circuits are due to oil pollution. So today, we are pleased to introduce an easy, clean solution to change and analyze hydraulic oil through a very light and quick procedure. You just need to take off 2 caps under the boom, and this is it. And if I tell you Revive Oil, do you know what it is? This is a new dialysis program by Manitou on fluid analysis and depollution. We are launching a 3-in-1 device allowing you to perform analysis, draining, and depollution where you want and whenever you want on all your equipment. This is quick, this is cheap, this is simple, and you take care of your oil recycling issues that are always a nightmare on job site. You see, we can save money and be eco-friendly. Now, let me ask you a question. Do you know your machine is sitting idle with its engine on 45% of the time? 45%. With the new stop and start solution, your machine will automatically stop its engine after an idle period you decide, and will restart as soon as you touch your accelerator or your joystick. No need to turn the key, just like in your car. This means reduced fuel consumption, noise pollution, particle emission, along reducing engine hours, which improve the resale value of your MT. So today, we are proud to launch these 2 compact hydrostatic super efficient machines. 7 and 9 meters that are a real breakthrough in material handling on construction sites. Thank you for your attention.